I'm going to make a summer salad. Because one thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and peel these puppies. And the reason why I got the English ones is because they're known to have less seeds in them. That's all. I like the other cucumbers a lot. Okay. Come out, come out, come on, baby. Come on. Okay. So now this came with this little kit I got. Let's see. Oh, I like this. Look at that. I just don't want to get my fingers. So I'm going to peel these. Let's go ahead and get them all peeled up. Hold on, hold on. Okay, depending on how big you want to make the salad. Now normally when I make a salad, I make it huge. Okay. It is easier if I have something up here. So I got this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up. Cut off these. Now, if there's a little bit of peel on, it's not going to matter. This is just a summer salad. Just something you're going to want. We're going to make it keto. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slice it right down the middle. 2 pieces. And then I'm going to keep slicing it lengthwise. And there are seeds in this, guys. Now, I'm not crazy about having seeds in my salad, but I don't think. Okay, notice, now I got a lot of these things. I'm so hungry. Okay. I always try not to cut my fingers because I've cut my hand so many times. And I'm going to start with this. Now, a lot of times I just want a huge salad, so I put so much in it. I make it huge so I can eat it for days. Yes, now you know. Okay. So here we go. That's just how that works. Notice? Okay. Now, you can use whatever kind of tomato you want. But I love the look of these. These are called like cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, you know, little teeny tomatoes. I don't even know what I'm saying now. Yeah, you can put them in whole. I cut them up. This is really a fast salad. Well, not the way I always do it, but it's I put it in with my whole tomatoes. Oh, son of a monkey. Okay. I should do it all at one time, right? I also, you know, I like doing it by hand. You could throw it in something and just kind of quickly chop it, but I like doing it by hand. Okay, put him in the salad. Oh, okay, yes. Okay, I cut myself a lot when I'm cooking. But here's the thing, I love cooking. And I love making salads and stuff. And you know, if whatever you are, but I'm going to make it keto because tomatoes have a little bit of carb in them, so you got to be careful. But my feeling is that you have to have more fat, right, than carbs, more fat than protein. That is what we kind of survive on. We don't do that, and I keep my carbs under 20. And when I say under 20 grams, I'm talking about under 20 grams. I don't eat breads. Nope. I don't eat pastas. Well, not anymore. and I don't eat all the other stuff. This is exactly what I do. And so this is my tomatoes. I'm going to put them in there. Okay. Okay, I use my hand. Don't look. But my hands are clean. So, and I'm not serving a big buffet or anything. This is just for me. So, pretty, huh? Okay. Now, oh my God. Okay, look at this. Now, for the sauce, I usually use more of a vinegar because I want a little bit tart, and I use olive oil. Oof. So, this is just, oh my gosh. Okay, come out. Oh my, they get stuck in this little jar. Jesus. I mean, sorry God. Okay, hold on. I try not to say his name in vain, and yet I'm so bad about it. Okay, here we go. You ready? So we're just going to again chop these up. I want to make sure. Okay, this is my anxiety, that a little piece of the pit will be in there. So I have to check them all. Make sure it's not in there. Okay. Then I'm going to stir it up. So the thing is, I like bright colors. Oh, there's too much of you. This is olives, red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar. Oh my gosh. This is extremely low in carbs, but it's got some fats in it. Yum. Okay, and that's what we're going for. Okay, so here we go. There's some more. Didn't even think. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now here's what we got. Colorful, right? I love the color of this. And I'm now going to close this. Now I have a choice on what I want to put in it as far as all things, right? So I am going to throw a little, because it's almost like a Mediterranean. Damn. Darn it. Come on. It says peel. Well, for goodness. Come on, peel. Forget that I'm using my knife. I mean, I know it's supposed to peel because you don't want to eat all of these right in one sitting. But geez, peel then. Okay, I want to show you this. Now, this is the boar's head. So it's nitrate free. Oh my God, that smells good. I'll have to taste it for you. I'll let you know. Gonna leave the fat on it. Oh, just really tasty. Come on, chop up. Okay, got this. It's going in. Remember what I said, we want to make it keto. Let's get some of that good fat in there. And this, for sure. Oh my gosh, look at this. Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, sometimes I'm so hungry when I cook. Hello. I have some guests with me. My dogs. They know when I'm cooking. And they know that if they're really good, it's possible that they'll get a treat. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And I'm just saying possible because they don't need all this. They have their food and I have mine. So now I want you to see what this looks like, and just let me get it all turned up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, you don't have to use your hands like I do, you know, but if you're home alone and just feeding yourself and you wash your hands, just throw it together. Throw it together and get her done, right? Look, looking even better. Now, I am going to throw just a little bit of parsley. Excuse me, guys. Okay, watch. Just. You know, in some countries, the way you do your parsley and all your little vegetables like this is extremely important. So, now, the one thing I like doing with my parsley is I don't throw it in whole. I make sure I cut it very small. So we're back together and let's go at it again. This one's just a bit small. I'm smelling this to decide this is actually what I want in here, and it is. Okay, I want you to kind of see. Okay, hold on. Okay, once I bring it in, you're going to see it is very small. Some other spices I'm going to throw in here. And I want, let's see what's in this. Thyme, garlic, onion, rosemary, oregano, basil. Let me smell it. I'll have to decide if I want this in here. Oh gosh. Okay guys, I'm not fancy. I think this just, you know, just Italian seasoning. I like the fresh, but I don't always have the fresh on hand. I have some today, but I don't have all the stuff I want. And you want to put enough spice in that and enough salt. Okay, hold on. This is French salt from France. My son gave it to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now, I'm gonna put a little of this red wine vinegar from my olives in here. Might as well use it all. And then, okay, we're gonna put a little olive oil in there. These are considered good fats. I don't know, I think all fats are good. Here we go. Now, I'm going to tell you that this has to be in your refrigerator for a couple hours to get all the stuff to go through it. But I will tell you this also, that I gotta taste it, because I gotta see if there's anything else I think maybe I need to put in it. Come here, my little olive. Because I want to taste it. That is good. Now, the calamari olives, if you don't like them, don't put them. But it gives it a zing. That you're going to want. It really does. And I want to show you now what that salad looks like. Okay? I'll take pictures later. Anyway, That is a summer salad. And it'll be ready to eat. Take to a picnic. Do whatever you want to do with it. Oh, it's so good. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. I'm so hungry. I want to eat it now.